see that this is life, this is beautiful. You know that these ladies are coming in the morning and doing very nice exercise. This exercise is needed. Beautiful, excellent, great. And this is what is life. Dhanyavad, namaskar, dhanyavad. So these people, they are doing, this is life, because that this in the morning, if you want to stay happy, if you want to stay healthy, you need to come out of your cocoons. You need to come out of and just walk and do some movement of the body. The movement of the body is very important. The movement of the legs, the different body parts is very important. That's going to only stay is healthy and happy. That is the first mantra in life. So thank you very much. Keep smiling, keep happy.